Hi all, Bill Greenberg with PhoneScholar.com. Today is Wednesday, September 15th, 2010. Here's a brief summary of what we got on the website today. And of course, to see the entire articles, please go to www.phonescholar.com. And if you have any questions, send them to me at blogquestions@phonescholar.com. In fact, one of the articles today came from that, so we'll go into that. First, I want to start off with a couple of basic simple terms that people have been asking me about. HDMI, what is that? And that is High Definition Multimedia Interface. And what that does is it takes purely digital products like DVD players, game systems, desktops, stuff like that, and it lets you use a single cord to carry both the digital audio and video signal from one source to another. And it's kind of like the same thing as the white coax cable that's on your cable box going into your TV or your dish TV, but now there's just a pure digital source. I know for the you experts out there this is really simple, but I'm trying to keep it simple, so please. Next, for the OS, which is called operating system, and that's basically the guts of whatever you're using, your computer, your phone, whatever it is. The OS is the inside, what makes it work. And then next there's UI, which is user interface, and that is the interface between you and the OS. So basically the touch screen. When you go to touch your screen on your iPhone or your iPad or anything like that, that is the user interface. And that's when they say custom interface, they put custom things on there for the certain phone or the certain product, so you can use those individual apps or whatever they are. Okay, the first two articles I have on the website today are videos of Noah from the IDF, which is the Intel Developers Forum, and they have all kinds of tablets and slates and computers, tablet computers. They're being called all these different things. And the first two, one's a video of the XOPC, which is a company out of Canada that made an 11.6-inch slate computer tablet, whatever you want to call it. And then the other one is the WeTab, which has the MeeGo operating system, which is yet another system on top of Android or Apple. So really interesting videos. Go ahead and check them out. These are going to be around $500 to $700, depending on what you get, more in the line with the iPad. So check out the two videos. I think you'll find them useful for you. Next, Consumer Reports knocks Apple for ending iPhone free case deal. And basically, as I said yesterday, Apple has decided that after September 30th, and I found out what the real deal was, is after September 30th, right now it's an automatic system, after September 30th, you have to request to get something for your phone, and you can only request the bumper now, the Apple bumper, the rubber band basically that goes around the edge, as opposed to right now you can get a third-party case or something like that. So, and Consumer Reports is kind of having a hissy fit over this and saying that it's unuser friendly and it's not good for your people and they should still take care of it, and therefore they're still not recommending the iPhone. I think they're going over a little bit overboard. I don't think it's that inconvenient for a customer to have to request something. I do wish that Apple would continue offering the third-party case along with the bumper, but hey, that's up to them. So read the article, make your own conclusion. Next, Walmart launches new wireless plan follow-up, and this is a follow-up to the story I did yesterday. It's a video follow-up that I got this with the blog questions at PhoneScholar.com, and thanks to Brandon Twitchell from Newsy.com, who sent me a video that I embedded onto this showing another side of the new Walmart Family Mobile. And basically they're talking about the fact that if you are a real media or data hog, this is not going to be a great plan for you. So check that out. Really good. You also might want to check out Newsy.com. I found it to be a very, very good news source. Next, under categories, Apple and iPad, and the next one, iPhone. Text Now, which is now a free app, gives you a free phone number that you can use for free texting on your iPad and iPod Touch. So really cool. It used to be 99 cents. It's free now for a limited time. I put a video on there to show you how it works and also the link to the actual thing. So take a look at that. And next is Zoomcast, which is also a free app for streaming your videos and music from your computer to your phone or your iPad. Again, really cool. So you can do this all wirelessly. You don't need a USB cable or use. You can always use Bluetooth, but I'm saying you don't need a USB cable now to download this. It's an app that can do wirelessly. Now, again, this is a free app. They do have a deluxe app for $5.99, and that way you don't have to go through the commercials that are going to be on there. So you might want to check that out. Under BlackBerry and both under Verizon, one under Verizon, one under Sprint, both the companies are getting the new BlackBerry Curve 9330 3G. And Verizon's going to be selling it for $29.99 after a $100 mail-in rebate card. That's going to be available on September 16th to its business channel, and it's going to be within the next few weeks to everybody else. And Sprint is selling it for $49.99 minus a $100 rebate to its web sales and business channels on the 26th of September, and then it's going to be available on October 10th to everybody else. Now, for those of you who currently have a Curve and say, wait a minute, I have 3G on my phone, yes. They're just calling the Curve 3G. The biggest difference has a little bit design difference. It's offered in a couple of different colors, and it has 512 megabytes of internal memory to run the operating system faster. So those are some of the differences. Camera and everything are still the same, but it looks like a really nice phone. I do have to correct myself. Eric Rios 1 showed me that I made a mistake on the Vibrant when I was talking about it. It does come with a 16 gigabyte card built in. I'm not sure what I said. I probably said 8. So it does come with a 16 gigabyte card, and it's expandable up to 32. That's all I got for today. Have a great day, and I shall see you tomorrow.